If I first time this for join we want to say welcome to Sierra Network Radio. This is not the good old days where they take time for bring people them, where we don't go through the days them where we the young one them no know nothing about. But when they bring people them, we sabi but then this then they make them can't tell we waiting we need for know about then this then they. And today, now such another day. And we don't get we first person for today on program. He go introduce himself for we, then we go start the program. Welcome to Sierra Network Radio, and this is not the good old days program. Who do we get on the line?
Now, Mr. Bokari Fomba.
Mr. Bokari Fomba, which time you want to take we into the 60s, the 70s, or the 80s, sir?
They take we inside the 60s.
Inside the 60s. Who are you born?
Yes, because now we march for independence. Now I make I want to now inside the 60s.
Okay. Who are you born, sir?
Me born a town called Nyandoma-Mbabu.
Nyandoma-Mbabu. Okay.
Yes, na Luawa Chiefdom na Kailaun District.
Kailaun District. Back then,
yes.
Waiting you able for member the time where you be small about that particular place the way you been born?
First and foremost, I want to tell you how I go school.
Okay.
Those days we daddy them, everything be they free, and everybody na be daddy na mommy for any picking. But we been then at the town, we then no more would they pass and do, then after bad thing they would they go na them, people then farm, they eat then chop and come back na us. We then whole we with papa then they wanna left them na picking them. To the extent we begin to go kill one whole goat with the roast and with salt, we eat up. We then come na for nothing talk. So one head teacher been then our village. We always be bad boys then at the town. If me sabi ABC today in that party, na they go whole una all it can't keep una na us. Una we do clean una the whole in bag una go school. Na so we go school. Cause na be the only bookman our area. Would daddy they all be afraid that me and papa na be chief, but instead be afraid the head teacher. The person have been from all the way Matru John, they go work na Kailaun District. So now so I go school. And so we start life.
So this headmaster, nine come out Matru John, we go Kailaun District.
Yes, the name Mr. R.B. Tucker, Robert Tucker. That's one of the best Sierra Leoneans them. Most of my brother then we go they hear me voice. They go talk saying at that party make I go school. The one day night the way school come out, it get cane, then I'm back, they pass. If you see you come out school, you not follow your mama na farm. Down there you don't touch trouble. The next morning, they beat you in school. They say you papa na farmer, where you come out school, follow. And that mama then the morning, then they work, then they can't educate you. And so we begin. Now so you begin with Twitter. Now I make with all now with area. Not to inside me town no more, not to Nyandoma-Mbabu. Nyandoma-Mbabu now be the section headquarters. But all the other villages, now that one grade school been there now the whole area. They go now each village, they go sleep there, they go pool picking and they bring their kind of school. To the extent that they build small house for them, where then they come pack with it, now they feed we, for them go school no more.
So the school owner be they go na government school?
Now Roman Catholic school, RC Primary School, Nyandoma-Mbabu.
Okay. So as Chief Pekin back then, I want to make you remember what the time where you be small. Waiting be they go on with you, daddy, na the entire neighborhood?
You really get the right name for this program, what you call on the good old days. Those were the days where people they get respect for leadership. My papa, now be the section chief. The whole section now they lay farm for him. Now the whole section they harvest for him. That they get high regard for him. Not unlike then they say now people that they map the cost then chief. Those days it was impossible. You not go dream of that. Papa then enjoy. I remember when Sam Milton go now village. I go sit down with me papa. Papa sit down. I thought this one now wear better clothes. People that sit down a crowd, they try for go to me papa. Me papa they try for push me with his hand again. Now I meet he hold me high, he draw me. He said, Lafa, you know, say na them man and they just for can sit down and then chair tomorrow. He talk empowerment. I'm not going to ever forget that. That was the first time where I see some meeting with my eye. That was in fact the 61, I think so, yes. We're going to our village.
Then telling them, I don't know if you go able member or like the tower will be small. Because they say, like people and can go take them picking and then go get chief say, Yana, you work for this. You able member anything but that?
That's a commonplace. I know I make, me daddy no more than 23 women they get. Because for, waiting they want let tomorrow, you mama go born boy picking the, let yourself be chief tomorrow.
Because so now the reason I be want know exactly why make people and they take them picking go get chief say
that's
this now you
the primary reason. That's not the primary reason. Not to, well now get picking self don't important, but those days they want let you let person family one proper family and go pull in picking bone no more go get chief. Now so we papa be done the old and the still get woman them. For make them born boy picking no more tomorrow you get right to chieftaincy. Like me, while they don't if I want chieftaincy business at my home, I go contest. I get me right. And the reason that they make them give mommy them to papa them.
So the school days, when you left primary school, you go secondary school and still Kailao?
No. How I come on my village, I tell you.
Okay.
Me uncle, now one of the banyas. Now my papa, na be the na country close. Me my mother be the make country close. That ended the banyas then they be the na both school. Na country close with my mother and they make them they can't pay school fee with na both school. Now so then tell we may not be know much about that. But this way uncle way he done, he been the work now na cooperative. So he come back to your uncle. He say, uncle, he said the trouble where you and your wife then don't bear me when I don't let they help me, I don't know. He said, I'm not going to give you money. He said, so I want to take one picking like go menam. Then he go pay me your debt tomorrow. Now so me come on my village. We go school 1 year now I do na my village. 1961 we did class 1. Then my uncle can take me for bring me kind of boat. Those days. Not to nothing be make a gladdy. Wait then tell me, when my uncle tell me say no more now, inside train with the sit down for go. May not be busy, but wait till they go do in a book at the go land or just for sit down a train. And be my happiness. With the camp Penembo, we join train to Tobo. So that's why my uncle go take me. That's why I left my village now. I begin my journey start into big town then now Bolton first.
So for make you go class 1, you remember if Yusuf begin for touch you, yes, for make you unreach you, yes, we pass on over your head, for make you qualify?
Exactly. Now we tell them there and then the way you carry the tomorrow before the headmaster. But we will be done pass down, we will be done big now. We get with small pen knife then our hand. We go now them farm there, we go poor people, pineapple them, people orange them. So we be done past that age. As we own the head teacher go whole we no more, they just get we go to school. But that time they measure. Then small picking them. They measure you, they put you on, it can't reach 9 years before they register you. Na school. But we be don't pass that age day. Before we enter school, we don't big small. We get sense. We will go class 1.
So how you train ride been look like for the first time?
Oh my God. Look, country boy that up on our village, I go sit down inside train. The thing they were they admire was when then pantry then they can't pass. I remember saying that the pantry that they can't run past me. Not knowing that now me they go past the pantry then. Then the next thing is when we reach na then station. We come on Shogbema. No, we come on Penembo. We come Baima station. From Baima station to Daru. Till we come Shogbema. All kind chop. We remember. They go there. Would they cancel bread? Would they cancel this? Would they all kind chop no more when a country chop. roast plantain, corn, boiled granite, everything. When I go down at the train, penny. You buy penny on, you put inside some 10 leaf. Then the paper business not too much inside leaf, they put under and give you. So you go sit down on a train, they look in the window, they go and charm on they go. And so we left the go to, we come out, Shagbema, we can't Kenema. I just they look the host then, they're quite different from who I don't come out. Till then bring me can to Blama, till reach Bo now. Oh, can don't Bo, oh. Just like we then go take walking na village, they can put on America. Now so no more, the place be so different na me eye. Then I can go na my big brother be then a quarter now, na junior quarters na Jaboy man. Now then I can go. Now they are beginning now class 2. Now UMC school Jaboy man. Now Botown.
So which secondary school you go?
Let me not go secondary school. I'll tell you now how we begin learn this national item, and then when the loans and cents come, how we deal with them na school.
Okay.
Because in secondary school days, they far forth. When we did in school, before that money they come, 1964, they begin teach you long before time na school. First thing what they do, those days not on mathematics, so arithmetic. Then they put pounds, shillings, and pence. They put on you add them or you subtract them, you put your answer. But when we come here now, when this new money being for can now, loan and cent, we said the difference being there, difficult. Number 1 shilling, na 12 pence. 10 cents, na 10 penny there inside. So there is a difference of 2. Then when you come to 10 shilling, 1 shilling, na in 10. And each 1 shilling get 12 pence. But when you come to 1 loan, na 10 cents, 10. And each 10 cents, na 10 penny there inside. So that thing therefore, now we go through that system there, where they teach we how to convert that money from pounds, shillings, and pence to loan and cents. That then na three units that you get to pound, shillings, and pence. So when they can pull the pence inside. No, then pull the shillings inside, they just put now loan and cents. So that one day for make we transit into that, not the easy. But we teachers of those days, we not think so we'll get there again. They be so careful. They're able to teach we come out from that system of pounds, shillings, and pence to loan and cents. Then finally, the day when they launched the money, the prime minister of those days, they say, all for Timapna lines could pick in the no more. Now the bank they do not. Pass away, they go, your papa go give you, then go. Any money where they give you, they also will not understand. But they say anything where you give you picking. And the bankers were so honest, will be there in line, where you can go inside the bank. Then go change that new money, they all then give you. You hold on, you can't go to your parents there. Now then go know now what you for do with them. Because we say not be understand better. But now we force. Now this country, where school, where the money come. Now we force, they say we force. Now we then learn the money in our school. Now we then now Boton. I remember now Bojon Street. One bank been there where they call intra-bank. Now then we own school that they can go. It's map now, long line. We get money then our parents they don't give it. Where you go inside bank, then change them. They take all that penny, then pounds, then cents, they take then they give the loan and cents. Then you come out and you can go to your parents then. And so we change that money. So as the money they go into the bank, they know they left again, they come out. You know, now so you left they go then they put the loan and cent into the system. Now we take her up. By the time they go into 1 year, the money done less. The pounds, shillings, and pence be done less. So the bankers they say now anybody will get money, but now the first day no more than they happen now. After the first day now, anybody they go change money now bank, where you go there and give you the money, where you can you will get half cent, you get 1 cent, you get 5 cents, then you get 10 cents, then you get 20 cents. So when you carry your money go now, so then they change out all and give them to they shine, fine. Oh, people that say now they're so happy. Before they clean now, they begin to allow other people then they go. But this country, most things will be the kind of that country now to school picking there. I remember one drink can of Sierra Leone, where then they call it ORRO. Then tell the company, they say pass them school picking there, taste them. They satisfy before they go allow them for selling another country. We all would drink one pint with happiness. Oh, then they say, oh, this way the picking there let come. So they allow them to go into the market. Will be like the sweet. Just like say now orange the sock. Just like Fanta. Very sweet. It was so nice. But in your name not to be Fanta, in be Oro. ORRO. Then bottle then they don't lost now. Then people that will be they keep them bottle they don't die long time. But the bottle been there, fine bottle. So now so inside Bolton, I left now. Till my brother then transfer we back who can't Kenema. And then I left as 6 selective. Then that my brother they get for go out of the country. Then I go now to me people then back na Kailang. So the secondary school I go now, Wesley Secondary School na Shogbema. I said, now, but we pass more. So I believe Shogbema now.
Okay, you go back. I want now make we go. Ustem, now you first time for visit Freetown.
Wow. Where they Wesley? I've been there Wesley, we reach, I go up to Form 3. We sit exam. So that holiday, they made me big brother who come from Kailang, who come Freetown.
Now you first time that one day ever?
Now, that was 1971 now. We come Freetown, we can sell plantain, banga, palmine, everything at Dan Street Park. You know
that? Na be take cam Freetown or na motoka na take cam?
Na truck, Toyota truck.
Okay.
You know, for me collect a hangover, ginger hot, can down na Dan Street Park. But this my brother, na be illiterate, you know, sabi talk to yourself, no nothing. But na man be like book business too much. That na me one my brother. One night we walk on Kisi Road around that down street area. Now I say, now under the end of education. I say, under na do the fed for go. Now I say, that word way you talk, you mean now? I say, yes. He say, where are the care you go? He say, where is you go back? You know, they go check them and get. So I can't bring you count to my brother now. I say, Africa, you go school. That's why I come Freetown 1971.
But I want to know first, before you come Freetown, that you first day in Freetown, what your experience be look like?
Oh my God. The place be different than me.
Even from where you come out of village, you can't Bo be different. So now you don't come out to Bo, you can't Freetown. Freetown back be different?
It be different small. You know, the vehicular movement na Freetown is quite different now, Bo. Although both have Montocada, they move those days, but not like Freetown. More can Freetown. Here is Freetown now where I can, they mix up. Even though by that time they did the way they fold up, but train the car, they pass Montocada, the car, they pass bus, they sit up decker bus, where the internet they not be able. So I don't come into another new system again. But it not be too different. Like when I come on, I'm a village, I can't boat.
Okay.
It not be too different.
So, yes, you take me to the one now where you say he promise you, your brother promise you, say they come with you back na Freetown. So which school will you can enroll in?
Well, I come Freetown, my big brother, my big man, SLBS, and I be the chief engineer. One of the Fumba Bunduka. I be chief engineer now. But I didn't go collegiate school. By then, the principal will be there grammar school, and I've been class teacher. But by the time now when bring me come, but I'm a brother, be very clever. So when they bring me come Freetown, now he came me go to this man. But by then, This part, VJ is in Spain. I be principal now na grammar school. So where can we go? It's a bunduka. It's a Fomba bunduka. I hope this is another Fomba, clever Fomba you are bringing to my school. He said, yes, I promise you. That's why I get admission at grammar school. I entered grammar school in 1971. Sierra Leone Grammar School. So now grammar school I've been there now on Freetown. But we've been there all the way in Ginger Hall. For common Ginger Hall, Kante Moriton, my dear brother. Those days, the bus system was so organized. We get one bus, I still remember, the right on a J6. Now they take all the way to go that end of the city, the west end. So it pass now Service Square, sharp 7 o'clock. We for don't come out Ginger Hall, we don't run down. Near Bishop Johnson, get under, and they would go to map now near Bishop Johnson. With the bus come, we all go inside. And we pay 3 cents. The bus ticket now be 3 cents. We buy voucher. The voucher na 3 cents. From that place, they take we go. Congo cross, we run down, go now Moriton.
The voucher na be daily or a weekly?
Not daily.
Okay.
When you cut 3 cents, now you carry go 3 cents, bring you can. But my dear brother, that country they will be don't begin kukujumuku long term. Would they take where the bus driver is so pressed una boku una they come? Would they take this voucher in other one with just going as we swam? They hold down in their hand a chair and him and down. They will go inside the bus. So one green ticket. So I tell you the work out. Would they travel to 2 or 3 times? You know, this thing don't begin long ago. You know, 3 cents. But that 3 cents, forget them. For let we get that money. I don't know, I'll be almost, will be they buy that bus ticket in a bus station, will be they go buy them. Because when I come on Kailan Town, I go buy like 2 books. That 2 books, I get for manager for one whole time. 3 cents. And Puda na be 5 cents. But we say
you remember how much bread be cost then day?
Will be they buy penny bread, 2 cent bread, 3 cent bread. It depends on your pocket.
But penny bread like picking, like young man like you that in the way to go secondary school, how much bread you they able to eat?
Are they able to eat 3 cent bread? But I know they get the money. Sometimes I 1 cent bread I buy bench. Then put bench inside. But it's down there, I buy penny ginger beer.
Now be the same sasma but waiting and be they put the ginger beer pa.
The bottle them be there. If you like what they call this sasma rubber now, but we get we own measurement them. Then they get small cup they get that they measure, they put another cup that they give away drink it, go put the cup back to the woman where they sell.
Like tomatis cup, like
no, it big small past tomatis
like
cup.
Milk cup then they cut some.
They make the cup, the rubber cup. They be buy the woman, they be buy them, market woman, they be buy them. Then they cry and go to their schools. Sometimes when they don't get bottle for the give everybody, they just measure another cup, you pay for it. You they eat your bread, you they drink that ginger beer. So life when they go on.
Okay, before we can let you go, we can like for ask people who can get here for the first time. Who's then at the first time where you become attractive to the opposite sex? How it been look like? You said now later you be right or how it be done?
Look, we get standardized letter the way some clever boys they be get up. We get flower they draw first on the paper and the garden of love where roses shall never die. Oh, you are my heart, what? All the things they will put on first. Then the small short letter we put on at the middle of the page. We put on an envelope, we send it to the woman. But be careful. That letter they not land na you pay in the hand, if you pay in the service more ABC. Then number 2, know the girl where they go give that letter. If you vex by you, take that letter, they give you teacher. You are in trouble. So everything will be they do, it be fearful. It be very difficult for come around then gas than they. You know? Then you go admire one so, but how did they go? One, you the phrase if you tell her, they go report you. Two, you the free say if you write letter again, it's okay, they take that letter, they go give either in daddy or they go give the teacher. You are in trouble. Then go give some lashes now you waste, you go forget about woman business for the rest of that year. I'm telling you, the discipline be too much. And the discipline, they all be too good for we because if they make we know say, I mean, this now opposite sex, therefore giving self chance. Those days when we be the primary school, you know, whatever I say school picking don't give in company belly. Mostly, when school picking get belly, mostly not be will teach them. Because the guys that be big pass we, and would they even afraid. If those days you go give belly, if papa they pull you school, they say, now woman business you want, go take the woman now. So, but life just, and the other thing again, we're very interesting. Is I'm a trained and qualified teacher. I go do TC, I go do HTC. I just look at the school system, how it go and change. That one day, anytime while later, I just feel discouraged. Because when we be the teach, we turn up in a classroom, they teach, we get inspector of schools them, teacher supervisors, then they come. Then they can't enter the compound, they pass the instruction at the back of the school, they pass. You go to map now, you win that. You know, they see them. They teach. Where you don't teach, they pass. It can at the veranda, it make like you see them. Because it one go see how you they start your lesson, how you they, develop the lesson, how you they close the lesson. All that thing, and if you not do them properly, they match you to the head teacher. So when we not be trained and qualified teachers, we don't get with paper, we come. We teaching be very perfect. We they give homework, we see that we mark them. When then people then they can they go inside the classroom, hey, bring all your English book. They want to see them work, then the way you don't give the picking, you don't mark them. They want to see the civics book, what you teach. They want to see you lesson note. They want to see you diary, what you don't line up for teach for the time, how you they follow them. You know, you find out say they begin to they learn. Then the worst thing now we come when this television business begin come, they will go into telephone. We be the command under them think they will sit down in circle. The teacher to not middle una reader, una the reader by paragraph. And in paragraph una read, una explain them, discuss them, then una go to the next one. But it can't do now them picking them, or they read again. Everything inside telephone, everything iPad, everything TV. So that they don't destroy the picking them. But those days, we're not getting privilege then. That we read a book. Now they would sit down, now they would learn all the stories. All the stories are now then they look at TV. Now inside they would learn them. So we'll be very good. I'll be there class 5. I they write letter to my brother na Kailan. The letter they go reach. I they class 5. Both class 5 picking go 30 days they write letter. You know, the system don't let they go down. We are almost almost for down our ground.
Okay.
The way the system been there, it been very good.
We can't left you now because we get to other people and for come on board. So what you go on left with we? I know so you don't talk about this teacher and waiting they go on. What you want left with we now for make we let you go so go bring other person on board.
Number one, I want for tell thank you. And I want to let you replicate this kind of program. If anyway the way you AYV then go connect, we once in a week self, let them go they make them picking and go they listen up. Let them go, they listen them. Let go teach them a lot. Because system don't change in such a way that if we not take time, would they head for something bad. So I want to tell you, thank you for this kind of way you think. Good old days. If we not know where would they go, they will come out. Now you don't do so. Now where will come out, now you want to know. Before they go, we say people then they then we. Well, if you say let them go into their own history, we go admire again more. And they will ask with them this now. By the time we they go next 10, 15 years, if they begin to tell their own stories, it's like different. So I want to tell you thank you for what you do. So I want to let you continue.
All right, thank you very much, Bokari. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Triple A.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Welcome to Sierra Network Radio, the good old days. Who that we get on the line, please?
My name now Almami Bai Kamara, commonly known as Small.
Almami Bai Kamara, commonly known as Small. So, who side you want take we go? The 60s, 70s, 80s? Who side you want drive we go?
Well, I want to take we 70s, go 80, 90.
No one can 98. We just want left to the old side first. We know I come up it.
Okay.
So, who are you born?
Me are born at Freetown, number 2 Elk Street.
Finally, we got somebody who born inside Freetown, na Elk Street.
Yes.
Back in those days, I go say in the 70s, right?
Yeah, late 60s.
Late 60s.
Yes.
So, Clock Tower be still those side, so?
Yeah.
And for go Elk Street, and I saw the road be rugged. If you remember far back.
No. Good road. Good tar road.
And the cabas then be still there under, or they not been there? Okay, well, make we go now. I be just one for I just see waiting be there. Now take we to how they be done.
Well, now we also be cementos. Then opposite to we one bodos bindi when one flat bodos so.
So whose part of Elk Street will they talk so?
Elk Street and Wall Street Junction.
Okay, fine.
Mostly they went at about 2 Elk Street.
Okay.
Then opposite to the one bodos where the one chroma be there. Then the other side for go up and Elk Street, you get one cement, 2 step will be the opposite to be on the other side. But I've been tagged gone. Because when they go call taxi, they come out, down is the police come up, Pokati Kumama and see their house. When they arrive, come break right in front of the house. That will never go wrong. But for me, tell me get sense, so maybe meet and they know they go wrong. You know?
And at the top of the hour, it
knock the bell,
right?
Yes, they give the hour.
And
yes,
half past in one.
One, yes, that's
Okay.
it.
So, whose school you go?
Well, me, I go nursery school first, 4th Street, Central Nursery. Then after I go small Ebenezer, we be the up Sakila Road, the top street. Then after I go Edwards Primary, House Street. When I Edwards Primary more I can remember because we go so it's not there for the school. Then with the supply we lunch time we get bread what they call Alaska.
Only for Edwards Primary. They still use that yard road by State House, past Tawail, past Akibobet, go yanda.
Yeah, most of that Edwards Primary area, 34. 34 for Edwards Primary will be the House Street.
Oh, House Street by St. Anne's.
Yeah, St. Anne's, down to the church.
Okay, down to the church, all right.
Yeah. When I really go, I will go from Yan and I'll go for the street.
Okay.
But House Street, all the sweetness be there. Because that time to get cold storage where they up House Street will come out, when they supply with them grade and in our school. Until we can get on our bag, they come, cold storage, they just House Street there. Maybe to send up in correct supermarket, like how long we get supermarket in Europe. Yeah.
Yes. I remember. As you talk and so now the salami.
Yes, salami. That's the best one I want to
Yes.
So, go to the freezer and open.
Yes.
Take salami, sausage,
Salami and sausage. I think that's the best. Anybody didn't tend the for able to remember that one in a cold storage.
Yeah. You got to put it upgrade there. We can own now.
So, what should be your experience now, Victoria Park?
Because then I would go there weekend time. We get the merry-go-round.
Yes.
Seesaw. Then all kinds of things be there. Now you get them fish them. Then you get pond where they now the gate for go outside and like all the fish then they go to map around. They watch the fish and they jump and things. Then kind of now in a park now. So you get all that place going where you get the merry-go-round. You go Enquaram. You go around. We can know you turn first after you have already for them first. You know you grab. Then you get the other side of the back, the other side, you the toilets there for go by, you say call back because they come, we call it 2 gates there, they call it 3 gates. But the gate where they come, they go up the step there, really, the toilet side, the
step by Sakila Road. Yes. Okay. Because so there's another one by Library.
Yeah. Okay, well, the one by Sakila Road, in between one from Library and Sakila Road, the toilets we need.
Yes.
Then they plant fine flowers. The way people say, oh my God, anytime you go here, like, if you say yes, you know, the freshness, therefore, they really meet you. Oh my God. Park been too fine, man. They been too fine. You never want for come on. We go past even time because they close the past even time. I said, they come on and do. You know? So we can come to school and do the pass. But we can more. Because we start me also born na be chief host. My papa na be chief. Then later on, he can go for politics. You know?
So your papa na be chief?
Yeah.
Because we just get all that chief picking way come on.
Yeah, make sure we talk this on the list. Yeah.
How much worth your papa in big?
In the end, you get 23.
Oh, you said your papa be end up with 23.
Yeah. The papa will be chimney. What I say, can't they boo, eh? I know your papa.
Oh, so you na Kandeboga in Pekin?
Yes.
When they say Kandeboga in a salon, the Kandeboga where everybody sabi.
About 2 Elk Street. Yes. Papa, yeah. So that kind of family there come on. I get beaucoup brother and sister them. You know? But we've been good. I mean, they call me small because the Almami will get down 2, 3. We'll be there up. Elk Street, because in the little. When they said, instead of one panel, Almami going to be the big one and the small one. So now all they go to school and come together. And we'll be get they kept playing, they come, they say they watch net. We got the last time I get a question, they talk about them. Say, thief no be there, trade no there, nothing. Because we get, on one state, we get lantern, now they be lantern, when I be, ski, justice. So they watch net. Now we put this at the lantern, because the first 2 lantern we been a boss, for where we've gone past. Lantern parade, law court building. You know, and again, every month we get started the carry go for one barber. One barber in
Regent Street.
Regent Street, yes.
Right by Sackville Street Junction, we go up small.
That's it. That apparently when I was going up to Baba.
Now one in the prime.
When we can say, also look for most of that chair where they turning around. They always look forward to. So we all only go in a group because we too plenty so in a group and can we go. And during that time because when we go as 1 and 2 now, I can remember because I don't think we can give them a clean vaccine where now chuk they put the candle, they put the needle na light, and then chuk come. I remember that my place day. You know? Our hospital should be fine. Because you go hospital, you know they feel nothing. X-ray day, they do the X-ray. Me want to book me out, so I go the X-ray for go theater, then they fix POP. Then they pay nothing. Doctor the right prescribe everything you go.
So when you be small, you ever remember for make a trip go to the provinces?
But I want the way we call holiday thinking come. Where we will go holiday na Mangebue, where I look grandpa bile. I tell you na ferry day, bridge bile, you know.
Which ferry? This kind ferry or that handle ferry then they draw with hand for?
Oh, they draw the rope. Yeah, that way they draw the rope.
Okay.
Let me the mangi. So that only now be.
So when you be the go soon at the provinces, what's it be the reception for say this person a free tongue he come out or na free tongue the wire come out then can at the provinces? How then be the soon at the intending day?
Hey, well, we don't live in politics now, so all the kind of the best in face we come. So all they run the car, they run the Mutukate, go reach the use how they go back to Grandpa House. Because we look different from there because we they dress, wear shoes and things, and then they on money can't be our food. So after they look like we come out of God. So we don't all they play together. Come on one back. All of them come off foot of car. I don't hold the goal. Then we come to go out aside for go swim. Because side they will go swim. When they say you know to we see the goal, go down there in the ground. But we were still our grandpa and grandpa if they don't want to be free. We go swim. Our life is sweet, man. Life is sweet and the whole exam.
Okay, so make we come to the love side. What in the experience been look like back then?
Well, play catch, because we play catch to the play. Make their papa and mama business, cook, make them play cook, go hide on the table, run hide and seek. Because the two come on. But we was not coming my mom because he tell her when we can't go secondary school now. I don't come move come on Elk Street then I go Lumley. Lumley now I've been there while I go secondary school.
Which year now one day?
76.
Okay.
Going 80 now towards that now. Because I sit 76, come on entrance, then I go high school. For high school, I enjoy because better than now we get put up a business, put up a ride.
So high school be still the Usai de so?
At yes, there we go, yeah.
Okay.
So there we go. They go put up a ride, taxi ride, they'll get them, boss them, you know. They go transport boss them, but we will let them put up because now music we look for. It be so easy. Then sports be there, school sports be there, inter-house, inter-secondary school. So I tell them more with the interact with sports day. Because this is school business, you know they will get time for meeting more. But when sports come, sports them, more inter-secondary school sport because all the school and they can meet up. So they tell them you get chance for there are 3 stay, you're not going to house quick. So I want to tell you more about this, man. Because me, I always hope say Salon go better one day back. Because never mind.
Because I see most people comment na Facebook, they talk about Taylor Camara or Camara Taylor. What do you want to tell me about that one day? They say you fumble to them.
Taylor Camara, then we on cool and one within Kisi.
Kisi, okay.
Yeah, Kisi, yeah. I mean, we on cool then, but we papa on that Taylor Camara. But he during election, 73 election, you don't tell anyway. Papa Sheki the county, go to the call, whether we are used to Papa, they all go put up, please read their things. Now we are cool, then I send them in killer. You know, them stab on down street, Papa, you know. So, I tell you, before that, Papa Sheki can be one party state. I can remember. And I can remember why they talk, you can talk on the railway, because who will go to locals? Me, I don't like straight, but we will go play in the railway line. You can go to the bridge and things. Where we to say, if you are less train, the rail, you can put needle and wait till they call. You go set trap for the train. And the train line, go set trap for the put needle, then wait for them to see the train go to the one side. You know, because we are at low cost. We then at the last street, down side, so putting it past, okay, to map the loop, the way don't pass, go at the railway line, or go cross at the bridge, because bridge will the way come out, to see way, kind of gone. So, okay, work at common tongue, to another way it cost.
Yes, should be one take we on another thing before I call that camera Tilo. What's in Igbo and care we go to now? You will try for compare nowadays and back then.
I say more could lose because if we always say not reach to the 80s, the 90s or the 80s, because we don't remember tell we see that the time where the council result, they say leakage, always say leakage, so now we say, like you know, say, Salo school business we organize, leakage being come on, now they say, they for council, the one this year, that's no 83, yeah, then council the result. So all we get for sit back. So, I tell them we don't move go alongly. And normally when I go there now, I will go, well, after I don't sit, I will go institute. Institute, then I will go part-time, go work Kepsiara, then I will come institute in the morning. Then in the evening, in the afternoon, I go work. Well, what I want to say about the country, say, not lose work. Because they tell them they wait, now we cry for tourism business. They tell them the tourists, they boom. People in the country, everything. And again, I'm never going to go back one again, back the attention back to another thing first before I come to the tourist business. Where we go high school, you also get now Wellington, you get industrial estate. For all the factory every day. You get brewery, NASCO factory, paint factory, job in there, plenty people in the work. You know, they see I do one in a street so. You know, all the people that they see in the street, all man they go to school. The few people that go sit and then apprentice them, we let them pull at them, and they all get the thing they want to do about transport. But all other people else get job because all the findings there, SLPM being there, well, tobacco company, we reached our Wellington, and that side, you really know say. Life day, all my they work. When afternoon time, when they come on lunch, they see all the workmen they come on as though we are uniform, then they can't buy anything. So now I didn't know in the, you know, people the life you see, you really know say, oh, we go to school safe, you come, you go see say yes, money they put money giving, you know money for you know the strain because some of the people are be work now. The factory, all things will they go. So, if all the things will happen as solo, it go more stand back. Now, the only thing we need now good leader, we will get. Because if Pasheki will say, be good leader, because afterwards now, telephone puts the leader street, boss then day, lights day, where we they go school so, where they come out primary school day. Now PZ, for one pump in the where you get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we to say that only go in quarter. So they come down the slave for water and light and nothing, no slave for nothing. Light day, water day. Come off school, we go wash the pump. Before they reach our house, sometimes we come up play ball, food around us, you guys, when they play ball on the street. Better than the traffic not so waiting they call. They call to shilling ball. When they play ball on the street. When they play cricket on the street. Under rain, when they play ball. Under rain, they run. Nothing. People not nothing. You know, they fear nothing. Next day, cinema all every day. You get nightclub, they're not good for talk. Because after the 80s now, late 70s, 80s, now you can get a nightclub there. Down, blow up, La Ronda, Faith every day, job play day. That's not the way you know they do it, they enjoy. Even you don't get money, if you enjoy. If you after school, when you go to house, you put uniform, the ball you go play ball so. After that, normally you go study. So then you study at street. All the pool there, light. Where exam did it not teach and the man in the story on a pool. So light the day, water day, what you make political stay now has all about management. It's so sad no more, but don't lose hope. Because me, I don't lose hope as I love my life person. When I remember myself, so we travel, we go up God. After now, we might not be work now, we don't kind of lonely, we within a hotel. If you're ready for St. Michael's Lodge, we open a Laka, we tourists, then they come weekly. Helicopter, they will be tourists there from Lungi, Green and Camp, straight at the hotel. The hotel, again, nightclub, casino, restaurant, swimming pool. We don't remember ourselves so they travel. And again, the war, and can spoil all things. You know? The politician never, no good for talk. But war, lion box alone. We're not going for the soap. Now we just pay God no more. God being somebody when a good leader. We will get. No. Really, Salon is a country we have to enjoy. A small thing of money, not even Boku. Because I say I'm not busy but that one of a good chef for which they call. All what you need, manage the work, manage the good school each day. Yeah, people not just man all my play with the company. Oh man. Don't pray for better days. Don't always hope. Always hope for the better.
I want to tell you plenty thank you. Mommy buy small.
Yes,
for what you can share with we. So what you want left with we?
Lord always hope. Lord hope for the better. Lord we just pray God no more. Let God bring good leader for we and be to say elect the country, elect the people. But I have to money because he gets all things, man. We don't need for worry. We don't just hope. And God not going to country so much. We don't pass war. We don't go. All kinds of things they come and pass. But still don't say better days are ahead. Me, I just want to all get that kind ambition. You say yes. Salon go better for we tomorrow. It lets us for we say we picking it. Well, no lose hope. Oh, that's what I get for say. Okay, hope and peace.
All right, thank you very much.
And I appreciate yourself, people, because really, man, you really make us sleep part of life by you. I can get for go carry body so I for not take party program done. And because it's best, they go along and say, hey, what you have people? I say, hey, nobody, I just left with you. This now we in our pot.
And they make party for the
I said, God, it's one of you, hey, what to say, able. He said, I'm not going to sign now. Thank you, Pa. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All the best, man. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, yeah. Well, that's na Almami by Kamara. And before that, we get Bokari Fomba. And now this is not somebody who we don't get before, Israel, Papa, and we know how that conversation they been go. However, we don't get him back today. Sometimes you know be Yeriam, but that first one way been there. So still let's go make it introduce himself. Welcome to Sarah Network, the good old days. Once more, you can tell people who that's Nayusa.
Good evening, people, and good evening, all listeners. My name is Israel Papa. And, we don't talk today, but this evening you don't get two man there. We don't really shake me. There's two man there. You not go believe this is such a coincidence. I feel connected with them one way or the other. Even when I can realize how much I'm older than them. One, Mr. Bokari, with an explanation like I'm a schoolboy.
Yes.
Me like I'm a schoolboy. This Mr. Kamara, like Kandeboy and Pekin. I live behind Kandeboy. He was for years. And that's for me. It's such a coincidence. But really, this is what we want in the good old days. These sort of feelings. Mr. Kamara talk about Elk Street. Yes, those days, Elk Street, I do the play ball, then tennis ball. I play with John Kissa, them. That's it. Which I call them. Because maybe they Rose Street, where we pump up. Like kind of way, you had to go get water. And then also been get another politician who been in a Rose Street, number 8, back JCO Krauser, they all been the SLTP. Those days, you don't even know about this kind of contest with date. And let's say we get UPP been there, that's the way them arguments in it. In fact, I understand when we growing up after those read a few, I understand the kind of way actually go Trinity school. And you also become a teacher. In fact, I'm in Christian in the robe as that chorister at Trinity Church. And you go high school, in Pekin say you go high school. Unfortunately, in all the right train go high school, you go with bus. And we don't talk about the train. But tonight, the music the way you play really shake me. I've been listening to all the discipline things and when Mr. Mokari talk. It's so interesting. Gama Schoolboy talk about the bus, how they can slide with the tickets then. Well, you know, could believe say that name I've been from time immemorial. So when Gama Schoolboy Moritana, so that bus is ticket business. One time in this 1962, they been saying they're not going to give the school bus. We see all the bus then go park in the Moritana. You're not going to believe this. The whole, any bus we come, we jump inside, we take a more, don't go pack up. Because some kind of false news been go say, they're not going to give them a school, then bus, they say they're not going to pay bus fare. So the bus conductor, then the one becomes street. So, well, the whole school just chakra, all man just take the bus, then with ceramic, just take the bus, then go pack up more. Well, anyway, waiting more on me one focus tonight. I don't know if you all have. So I tell them people and thank you. We mentioned back. We appreciate the explanation I give for the train.
Yes.
Yes, I follow up a couple of weeks and I must apologize. I don't even come on that day where you called me. Unfortunately, I've been sleeping too early. But please really understand now how that train business they work. If anybody will be listening this week, you will not be for hearing somebody else will mention about that train business.
Exactly, because I don't know this Pandora box we want to open by this train business. Yes. I know so Yusuf we don't start an aya, and yes. With that conversation day, another audio day. So yes. I don't know what's in. And
I believe say I know particularly say the part be not right and extra apart from the one we be not right now in book. That in Jolly Boy book, and also make that audio and a video within a YouTube. Yes. I also be no saving the right special material on that before he die, and I know say begin and get them probably that's even to talk about the documents them, and I know say get the documents them, and I believe say go pull out one day. You go pull up because they no see them get up because for nothing blame them the blamer. And you see how the story the good. You see other names don't begin come out inside the railway business. But I mean, I want to go into that make a left and gear. But I know some people don't understand now the beginning part. So that side we left and make a left and give them, let it build up, let the momentum build up, don't make a difference. But if anybody wants to know more, then they read perhaps in Jolly Boy book, there's a chapter in it about it. And also if they go on YouTube, they will see the explanation we ancestors do before they die, when they record, whether he released after he died. It's on YouTube. When we want to talk about tonight, more that the enjoyment, the music we you give me at this tonight, now it shake me small. Because all the music those days, those are the 60s, late 60s, late 50s, 60s music to 70s, early 70s, before me left, come, you get them clubs like La Gondole, La Tropicana, the PWD Canteen, Railway Union Hall. I be them right all the all for just member around in the Wellington School Room. I've been playing a Queen Esther's band. So I be also mixed band business. It's in the way they grow up. It's in me, well, left school, teacher, left come. Now, them band, and they all been, there was band competition. We get all them school fete in the afternoon in secondary schools, especially at the Wash and FSG and Breeze of Race. We can get this jump, we can eventually call them jump. But in Nick, we enjoy recess. There was no restriction. They were not been able to come out in a net because the mommy did them in very strict. The beginner can enjoy it and then jump and did them Saturday afternoon. Now school fete. But one other thing you mentioned something about Victoria Park, which sometimes some people may not be know about. We may enjoy from where the Ebenezer School is. Mr. Kamara says on the streets say go Ebenezer School, which is so funny. There's so much coincidences. There was a tournament. We will be small. Now primary school. There was a man, one with mom in the name Dick Fairweather. I don't know if you don't ever hear his name.
Dick Fairweather.
Dick Fairweather, yes.
Yes,
Plenty
somehow.
people of my age. Dick Fairweather, now him been the organized inter-primary school football competition. Every of the main school that we've been there, primary, not a secondary school, primary school. Now, Victoria Park playing field, that was the stadium. That was the stadium. You see the competition line, it's a league. There was a league. Apart from secondary school, don't go secondary school, of course. You get two levels in secondary school. You get the junior league, you get the senior league in inter-secondary school football. Then, of course, not to talk about the inter-secondary school sports and the inter-house sports that we bring we all together. I saw people going to tell you, Fred not been there in terms of respect been there, but Fred not been there if you want to come out. You grandpa, you papa, you did to your auntie, you did to. As long as you behave yourself, you go back a Sunday when you come out church. When you don't come out church, you braid as rice soup, tea. You look for guys with jollof rice with and cook again, because I'm not getting cream. I mean, the most jollof rice every Sunday. Tell me long days with jollof rice. The point is, there was so much enjoyment. I mean, Mr. Buck already talk about the bread. The 1 cent and 2 cents. Even at the same time, we made the school them bread them in the day with bread akara, bread abobo. If you look forward to go buy, you buy your patch granite, you buy food. Nobody know the world with you. Cinema them in day in Freetown of course. That's when you get Odeon and Roxy.
So just the kind of cinema then they will be get like that Globe, Odeon,
Roxy. Well, Globe come later on. Mm-hmm. Globe come after 60. Globe come around the time for that 67 election.
What about Staco?
No, not been the Staco open. That's now on Wellington. Towards Wellington. Kiki Road, yes. That one they come later on. If I don't want to open after I don't left
okay.
While they go on the day back last year. Because I know the people that we open them, the rally Ajami with them in the cell bread, that junction at the Union Street to park. Now they open that Staco day. Because when they open, they buy over that bread shop day, that bread bakery day. They make so much money. Then Globe open. But remember, then before that, I want to go open a site. That one will not be exist. But the two main cinema that we've been there have been Odeon and Roxy. Odeon
what about bread makers them? Who's main one them be there intending there?
You get Ashwood. Ashwood they get King Tom. Where in Pekin the lady when they ride bicycle, they get tricycle. And one of the first women in Nairobi they ride bicycle like street. They go and watch. They ride the bicycle. They go. That's it. They run for in school. The very fast sprinter as well. So they get the name. Then the other factory, bakery, there is one by I think Lions or Lion.
Red Lion.
Yes, Red Lion. Red Lion bakery in the North Sudan. This is the third one now. This one.
What about Alosak?
They not been there that same day with me today.
Okay.
But there were other small ones, then they will be scattered around town.
Where international breed?
I'm not with Sabida one day.
Okay.
I'm not with Sabida one day. Even in Bo, there was Ashwood bread, then to left Fitong in morning, then the weeks na tongue, but bread kept being done at Bo. Bo self was so good, then you get Odeon Cinema, then later on Rex Cinema come. Rex Cinema, I remember they opened up 1965. Nabo. The films them were so good, the same kind of films, the cowboy film them, Roy Rogers, and all the other films that were in the Commodores days. Then you get the Indian films, then sometimes people films them. They get the afternoon film, then you get the evening time film them. The one thing with people them encourage we, no matter which level then they, which kind of education they get, it was a common thing for you people then for encourage you for go cinema. You be good boy in a house when I go cinema, then go buy tickets for go cinema once a week or once every 2 weeks or something like that. If you go church on time, you no go late for go church. Not true. You no go late for go choir practice, because if you late for go choir practice, you get punished by the choir master. Pray God let the choir master not put it to you until your mama Sunday, because they will whip you back. Because you're not going to know right for late for go choir practice. And if you mistake too much, you late for go choir practice and punish you, then say, the robe Sunday, then now big go all that one. When it comes to discipline in school and study, parents to think and they will be different. Some teach them in the beats, yes, but some if you get luck, sometimes you go slide the beat. If you never go slide the beat again, you go pack you towards it with book or paper, where they will whip you so if you not go feel like too much. You see, but you get some teacher, they will beat you and beat you on your back, you go blister. I know we call the teacher, I never beat me on my back, where my back blister, me and go to school, I'm model. Eventually left me to go read news na SLBS. We start some band and beat the band before 10. I know I beat before. So it blister me back and it do delicate me until we vet, you go meet Pagod in with the headmaster and pull the teacher up because I'm very concerned about picking them. But you see, the band that we've been enjoying them in that 60s to 70s, in fact, I can just name some of them. You get a band like Echoes, with Dr. Cecil Blake. I think you don't, you know, I think you don't hear about them. With Dr. Cecil Blake, now one of the vocalists. Then you been there to Bonnie Mac with Dave Post before he transfer go Soundcasters. Then you get other band like the Golden Strings where Stephanopoulos, them again, Pedro Mama them, Julian Braithwaite them. Before even some of them, well, little band here, people them move from one to the other, like the same people them. Because when you get band like a Merigo Jazz, where they split, it become Apata Jazz, Albert Bagay, your own band. Before they sway, Albert Bagay lost and split again and go be Afro National. Then some of the boys eventually end up with SLPMB band, now Bo. When SLPMB closed, that band they turned to Super Combo. And then you get Siriki and Dede. Before Super Combo, it's Emil Ogu there and Dwight Ogu still there alive. They talk there. So then himself. Then you get Alex Allen in Canada, move back, you go to Afro Combo band. The band in Boku, all man they look for band, for go listen to band and dance to band. All them band they will grow up that period, they were influenced by one major man, the Gerardo Pino and the Heartbeat. Of course, then you get a Rico Jazz band from Congo, women come at Leon. I will all go watch them who they play, all Mawan play guitar, all Mawan play band. The band them is so Boku, all man they copy James Brown, with the copy all kind of thing. And of course, you know, believe, say, there was also an academic band. That's what we call it. You would mean call the academicals. I don't know if you be able them. Well, the academicals, you know what I mean. They play the drums. You know what believe I tell you. Mr. Jipu Felix George.
Okay, the late
the broadcasting man. We died last year.
Yeah.
Then the other friend, Mr. Thomas, the old Billy, we could call data. He's still listening to. I think he don't get some jazz band the way they play now. Before Sabano 75, all them band they come, all them band they grew up from the same chaps them from the Marico Jazz, Afro National, split, east left, Guyana, down the Guyana. But Golden thinks that they may get luck because they may get man like Kuba Kubasi buy the band from SLTMB, Waiton Super Combo. But the other one we been so good that Edmond Mukazel, one in Siyama beginning Mukazel, that they help to build up Golden Stings them band.
What about Sierra Afrique?
Sierra Afrique come later. No get to read them that them did it. Na Paris set down so who go school labo primary school that we had a grammar school as well. The competition is there and it was a common thing for everybody to play guitar that time because we were all influenced by Rico Jazz band and after by the time they reached the 70s now Golden Gerardo Pino don't let's go Liberia, then it go Ghana, then it end up in Nigeria. In fact, the sad part of it is that I came to England in 2008. I'll go watch him. I talk with him. I go meet him at a hotel. The December way go back like die. He died of diabetes. Yes. The coincidence was the same day when he died, and the same day Maria Makeba died. That Italy said collapse. But those days were very beautiful days for we. We're not going to afraid nothing when it comes to going to church. Like the discipline in this. Or they already read when a Quran, when they learn Quran. Now the discipline in this because school teaching like come out school and grammar school or whatever school then go in formal school. Then they never go learn in Quran again, even them with the wala. Then go read. So the discipline in there, nobody misbehave too much. You misbehave too much. Person see you, they will discipline you. Then they put you to the papa. Now that trouble that one. You see, but we be enjoying ourselves those days.
What thing you remember about the ferry?
Oh, the ferry. When you talk about, when you say that ferry, in fact. I remember them, that will be one, I mean, plenty around me. Grandpa,
and then I want to ask, like, back in the days, how the ferry, now so the people, they struggle like that and they struggle now for ferry?
Well, the trouble, when the lorry go, so people, strong, the cable, big. People, the drum.
This one for Lungi, now they talk. This one for Lungi, Kisito Tagrin.
Yes. That one have been difficult one. Difficult. Long cable.
That one never the cable be daddy.
That cable, yes. They get cable. They get cable. Yes. They get cable. They say them good and get cable before they can get their machine.
Okay.
Then now we in Mr. Kandebwe and Pikin talk about Namangwe. I actually crossed that ferry when my grandpa been the bill because my grandpa been the bill all them quarters. From not only Jala and different places, the way he did build and now in the PWD, he become the first black man as inspector of works. Then he built bridges and roads around Bo and all them small and then small in Mayamba, all them tracks quarters them. And so how can you go there and then you draw them? Then the number of cars and you go on top. Then if there's too much enough for weight, then therefore draw them men and you draw them both sides. Then each other side, the putuka they come out. The other one then go there, then draw them back, come over. Mangebulayon was closed when Sekaspian through coincidence, through connection, negotiation with the Koreans them. Now then build that one in Mange. I forget the river when Gampa build, not been too far in the North Gate. one of the briefs that we finished there already. We get them in there they say but they're still there. Some of them still there. I can see you. I'm surprised as well. Some of them still there.
Yes, me take one even this 2020. I take one for go Moyamba from the Shengesa, and I take one that ferry day we did go with you and. But this one we amaze me. Now this one for Tagriwe very long because then when you go say then short you they see over. But this one you need to see so for make them be the draw with Anne. Say they cross go over. Yes. Then cross come back.
Yes.
Well, that one day.
Well, you see, but members say most at the beginning, not to Tagrin them, you use so much for plane like Estin. You fly from Estin, go na Lunge, then you come up from Lunge go.
So Estin and field in be the work proper at that time.
Yes. Also, that period the mode of transportation for come overseas have been boats. You get a Papa, you get Oriel, you get or some of the other boats that were mixture of cargo and passenger. Because plenty of them big man they way then grab between them they now. Most of them could not die now. If I want to talk now, some of them men and they could be like then 90s, 80s, 90s. Most of them big man and they will be the like government. With them in the same car overseas will be against collective car. Most of them come with boats. Big oil boats. And them boats and then them in the car will go town, and then the carry let them go 7 days on the sea, 4 to 5 days. Now they can't boats them most people live in the travel with. Because planes in them are not all man in the combat plane.
So back then, what be the relationship with Sierra Leone and Russia? Because we know people them go Russia for go study.
Yes.
Who said this bond there come out?
Because of Second Stephen in connection. Now Second Stephen in connection. When the British hold on changed before independence, you see, there was this Cold War where America was show their own influence on Africa, English ones show their own influence. Then the Russians then said Russia, but that was Soviet Union that tended not to be in Russia. They've been bigger. So the two Second Stephen in connection, and that makes one of the reasons we make they not been too much friendly with the British. Because even though the British they and Canada pick up for kind of study to the unionism in Oxford, Ruskin College, and they study. Then when we go back, after the strike, there was this build up around the middle 50s when Second Stephen get through with Bankole Bright, and get Emperor Wallace Johnson, them get some massive strike in the country. The one country they get strike. So that influence the
strike about
because of the trade unionists.
What's in bring out the strike? What's in bring out the strike?
Just like everything happening so now. You don't go believe say just like everything happening so now. Disgruntlement on this against the SFDP government after military in government. That when he was chief minister before they make a prime minister, they don't experience military tradition. When he took over, there was more than he was giving more towards the chief, the disintegration, and of course you get the Creoles and the tongue will not be one grief for the takeover way, then the takeover way, upline people and can't take tongue, then get more people like the legislative council pass the Creole them, they were seeing favoritism, and the governor, going way back for the 7-1 Governor Cardi coming to Governor Stewart, the governor them in the play games, you see. Then they also get this idea of certain workers for the government will join the government side, the governor in your side, for vote. So that's when they take bringing chief in the parliament. That's a totally different case that I can explain any later quite long. And when you ask me about this Russia, that's like a giving influence who is dealing with because you're saying that non-aligned, you get this policy of non-alignment in a particular man. So this non-alignment, they begin reach the Russia, we get Russian embassy. We're not being far from it, like Kinama Road. In fact, the Russian they may not begin going at all before even Shaka Stephen become prime minister. Because I remember still this school where the Russian embassy they been there in Abufield. They been there near Second Stephen at Kingama Road by that railway line. That they been there first. By the time Second Stephen came now, the influence did not become so much that people who study Romania, Bulgaria, all the Soviet Union, Georgia, all the Soviet Union places, not just inside Russia. So you can get all these connections where not just the education side anymore, you get exchange visits by the APC Youth League. So there was this Youth League connection. We start with Wallace Johnson, West Africa Youth League. So now it can become eventually we all the Plabadi, 67 become eventually become APC Youth League. So there was this link between the APC Youth League and the Russian Komsomolsky, the Junior Youth League of Russia. And also you get them begin spread for the go visit these different places. But the benefits we get from that connection, we get boku doctors them. We get boku engineers them. Boku, I'm not going to name, I get names that I need, I go name. Somali America says right now. We then studied on Russia, then go America, then studied on Russia, then come England. And then Boku Paris the way I've been the class with. We done. We not get scholarship for England. But there were scholarships we go study in Russia, Romania, Bulgaria, all the places then they. And then the Czechoslovakia have been one big country before they split up. So all of them parts then they with people because the money not been there, the training not been there, we not been get medical school, we not been get law school and freedom. Now we more can make them want them. But those days, boku doctors them that did them study. And so then go back to the tongue. And some of them are massive good doctors, dentists and doctors, not just medical no more, the dental side as well. So with dental being okay, the hospital them the nurses them mostly in England them in the come out. One of my very senior cousins has been there at cottage that could not be.
So the same way we make paddy with Russia, what's in a relationship with United States and United Kingdom?
Very good. As I say, the PAB it been non-aligned. You see, we joined the IMF World Bank 1962. Then by 63, Samilton began to talk about building a central bank. The law was passed in 63. By the time then they build the central, they start another building with a National Development Bank there. The Saudi Bank of Sierra Leone right now big water tank them in Dili for service the tongue. So they use that site there for begin build the central bank. But by the time when the building for start, it only 1964 now, I don't almost let's go. Now the time Milton died. Then after Albert continued that project today. Then the bank opened. I remember that bank they opened in 64. I think 3rd of August or something like that. I can't answer exactly, I'm getting correct of my age. Because I remember I've been there holiday. I've not been there pre-tongue fest. I've been holiday from Gampana Bo, where the bank opened. The minister established expressed interest for Goldie. My cousin been working at Barclays Bank. My senior cousin who have been there, with us now. Mountain Court. So why can the carry lunch go for them? I can see them the court money, boku. So that all influenced me for go become a banker. So I try for go there. When I go there, I'm not going to embarrass you. You say you're too small.
So, before I forget this one, with first money, who side them print them?
9/11.
So, whose time we come out on the, how many years you feel say, they print with money in England before we come out? Do we ever print with money in a salon?
I'm not ever thinking because the period when we spend a bank, while less audit, while less government audit are going to sell the accounting before I'm going to bank. That pyramid bank, I remember I tell you about our West African pound.
Yes.
That means they don't change the direct pound. Now, the whole of West Africa been use one kind of money with West African pound. But it not been, in the now would look like a different kind of money. But it was like the same kind of money in England. Because even with Leos, when I'm in Kenya, with the change, we buy with Leos and sell and go back. Leos be very popular. Same with the West African pound. When we don't left, when we work in a bank, years after, one day I'm going to go now meet this box. I don't wonder what's inside this box. Carry the box, now this is our money, did it. Now we call me manager. We're going to put 6 boxes of the West African pound, we need it. Now if you will take one board, we'll go to the bank of Salongo, meet them, we'll see if you can change them. Then change them. Now I can tell them. Now we say, okay, now tell them what you will make. Luckily, Christian Smith, we open commercial bank. They don't left Standard Bank. They work at Bank of Sierra Leone. He was the general. He was the manager. Now we go tell them, say, this money day. Now we care all the boxes they're gonna Bank of Sierra Leone. We change them to the current money. We've been there. Now that's be happening. That's now, of course, have been news. But the pound, the West African pound, where we get independence. I mean, when we change our money to leons and cents. Now, that's the money they all, as Mr. Boka even they explained to you, they cannot go over it. If you care what you get, then change them. If you care what you get, then change them. If you can't want a bank, then change them and withdraw the old one, then give you the new one. So 12 pence to 1 shilling becomes 10 cents to 1, 10 pennies to 10 cents to 1 10 pence. You see? So instead of pound, shillings, and pence, we can get leos and cents. You see? Now, so then take time. But with printing, I believe, say, now overseas, it's been the commodities. We know which I use company in the print, and that may not make any sense.
Okay.
Yes. So that's how we pass. But in terms of the IMF and World Bank, I've been not explaining what they do now. And you see the everything they happen, how much they mean difficult with we. They mean very difficult. The policy, whether they work now, so that policy, they work these days. So when I want to trust money, now IMF, because we're all our members, don't forget, say, IMF is just a bank. We are all members of the bank itself, of the World Bank. We are all members. We governor of Bank of Salon. Now we spokesman over there. When they want for go meeting, they go and they go discuss. Somebody may ask one after they don't talk to you, and they hear somebody crazy say, "Well, how them will come out under the British? Not we come out under the British. Now the British push we out. They narrow the area of responsibility. All the country they will be angry and then and pull them. They just make Ireland, England, Wales, Guernsey, they make out and call the small Stalin area.
So how the conversation they start? When you say now they pull land power, how? What thing we
because
do?
The British government, not to we do, we don't do nothing.
Oh, okay.
The British government financial policy in 1962, the Labour government's been in charge. Harold Wilson was the Prime Minister. Forget the money when I've been Minister of Finance, what you call the Council of the Exchequer. That was the first time they would borrow money in the IMF. The money devalue.
Which year that one day?
62.
62, Salon go borrow money.
No, not Salon borrow money. England.
England go borrow money. Okay.
Borrow money na IMF. There was a big problem with monetary problem in England. Then borrow, then actually then devalue the currency. So that's why they unbog them. Then by 79, they changed the exchange control policy. They open up their finances whilst we get exchange control now for Sierra Leone for Togo. Whilst they left the money free from all man could take money out and take money in, we will get a tight money policy in Talon. We not change we policy. We be still get exchange control. If you want to send money in England, you get for go to Bank of Sierra Leone, fill one form where they call Form A. You got a limit of money you will take, or how much money you will send. Waiting in the happen to we, now we are don't left England, we don't study economics, now understand waiting in the happen. Because when we be working the bank at the student and the other know waiting in the happen. Then big company like a UAC, SUA, French company, the money that we then use for trade, they may be trade in overdraft. They give them credit facility. Whilst all the young good couple, they are the overseas country under guarantee. So that guarantee that they give them bank now, the bank can send the guarantee go to the overseas bank, that's a loan, on that they take them for give them money for trade. I have never seen USC money, USC accounts in the black. I always see USC accounts in the red. But I don't know what that means, that 10 day. In other words, what I'm trying to tell you so, it's like when you get your credit card now, you the user and they give you limits. So,
yeah.
Now you use whatever you get from that limit. Even once you now reach the top of your limit, you can use the money, you pay back in, you pay the small in. When I say USC, French company, all the big company will be the work as alone. Then they buy and sell. Now that kind of way them in the trade. Not necessarily take book, we say we take the fat Friday. Now show them in the trade. So all the couple they overseas. They don't work they don't work with foreign exchange. They're not there for transfer the money because the money they come. Then they sell, then they use the local currency for do all them trading. So when the farmers them sell them goods, they give them check not they not decide. So they not give for cash check. They put the check in their savings. They get it for put on their savings, they don't agree. So they go for open current account. But now for check them now. Now we say, well, we pass they use fingerprints and then picture. That's why they can take open current account for their farmer then. Now that's been the happen. So, but food been there, trading been there. Nobody not been the complaint. I hear Mr. I know I'll go over with Mr. Bokari tell you. We all stations sell the camp. Even when you clean them, they stop. You them and they bring food, then calm down. You go buy anything. That's wrong. I mean, plus Saturday every morning at Dove Court. You go there Saturday, of course, Saturday, if you want the guy boy, you come on Bulom, then Bulom boats they come, so it full. Most of the Chileans made it happen. Trading been there in the earlier days in Blackma and before Lebanese and take come in. So the other thing when we may not be like, where be walking a bag na tongue, when you give Blackma money for good trade, you might as well give to say a man. Because the black man will bring the couple back.
So even waiting with the Fenot right now in a salon, where the banks them not agree for loan with the Sierra Leoneans, and now based on waiting be done, they happen trade.
Well, I'm glad you asked me the question because exactly that happened. Because Mr. where they work in England, those days were being actually active in branch banking. Mayo Sierra Leone bordered them. And this not of us in a Peggy them. I'm telling you, big man, big names, big people that we get shop and business in a salon. Then get accounts to we. Because I work at several branches, head office as well. When you try for then you come big, you say, but so. You put yourself forward. You recommend them and give them the loan. Or the overdraft limit, they will use them. The way they can and begin slide you. The problem is when the black man sell, they bring the money, can put them, let the overdraft balance go down. If they use them for go buy other things for cook or ginga friend or whatever, or the woman and go buy more things for themselves. Whilst when they say the amount sell, if they bring the money, can put them. The money go down, the overdraft go down, the debts go down, then they begin to take the limit, go to the limit back. That was the problem with me as a junior manager assistant in Central Bank in those days, experience. Because I can go visit, they see a man in shop Nakisi Street, which you call it now, Sani Abacha Street, for go see where the stores, where take assessment. So we see, but when we black man then come for the small shop, so say they sell beer and stout, you give them money, then we say, but sell all day. But you will not sell. Bring a small bit, come put it inside. But next day you come back, but give us extra. No, I can't give you extra. This is our problem. Now, an ingrained problem. Not to today begin. That makes sure the bank already give to we normal black man. It's difficult. It's hard to talk, but now the truth they tell you. Because I don't experience that for a while. Really. I joined bank at 21. I don't eat some grass now. I work inside London for 15 years in banking. Head office, Western branches, and stuff like that. Apart from studying banking. Now that's happened. But we'll go back to the good old days. In terms of enjoyment, you ask about Victoria Park, how beautiful it is. The one other story I want to give for Victoria Park, that they say with them bands and they come overseas go, like a Satchmo, Louis Armstrong. The sad thing about the first lady we were there with him, he been collapsed at the park there. He been die after he sing, he gets exhausted. But he been again like a 80 minutes at them, they come out Ghana, then they go, sometimes you can get a police band or army band, go there, go play. Another one band where I want to mention where I've been very lucky to meet them, the police woman band. They've been very, very, very good. I remember one lady in Regina or something in the around Charles Street who be young, who all play. Thinking the guy will all mix and learn off or play together and stuff like that. Yeah. You get any kind of band and you can get band show, several bands then can meet together in a particular venue, like a Yellow Submarine or Lumley, Bethany, casino area, or places like even the very Tropicana, where they can stage a competition. SLBS, of course, being existing, SLTV come, competition in there, week after week we go there and play. And it was a very good time. It was a very good time. Even me, luckily God gave me the opportunity. I grew up upline and Freetown. So, I mean, I used London mainly. In Bo, there was a place called Splendid. I don't know if anybody been there ever mentioned that to you. The Splendid nightclub. Like the most bands play. Of course, you get the Bo Library, you get the Bo School Hall, you get the Town Hall. Place them in there where people then play. And you learn for dancing school them in there. Boxing schools have been there. So if you want to touch, you come a little bit, when I can go to boxing school first. So I don't know what else you want me to when you ask again.
Yes, so what thing we go wrap up with today, make you left with?
Well, what you want to wrap up with today? Now this struggle with the youngsters in school now, the frustration, because we never get that frustration there. And I don't say the number don't increase too greatly, the volume of youngsters. Those days, nobody, as I say, things been there for do. Between the left school, if you not go college, you don't go university, you don't go overseas, you don't go work. Sometimes, we don't even know how to apply application. Nobody does school, and we must send and come. You go, then get a form, you sit down, you get a test, you test, the next day don't make you work. That's all. I mean, bank, I remember 1 million job in bank, where I employ people, you go to labor, you get your paper, you go to the accountant, he talk to you, you do the test that be maths and English, general paper like. It's not even far lighter than what you do at school. If they're satisfied with you, it's a job. It's not been too difficult. And although the pay is small, 24 million per month, 44 million per month, then around, I think, in banks those days, you get like 44 million per month, but not about money that can be. Man left school, you know, get all in GC, you go work. It go work like 17 pounds, let's say 18 pounds per month. But not about money. Even in England, in that 70s day, we work in a bank, now 3,000 pounds, I mean, they pay that per annum. You see? So, before wages begin go up. So that beginning now, me, I'm really sorry for them for not get things to do. Because there was so many fun. One more other point where I make up for mention, where I forget. Now, the day where I see fun fair for the first time, that the Independence Day. Fun fair go them in inside UE building there now. Now they use. You see all them slides, all them twisting things them where you go, you know what I mean? Them twin, another thing them did. Now next they did it for over a month. Then they pack full. All that mean they go. Well, them guys, they now not so. Who's ever play? The football stuff not look right for them now. You see? Although not be one them picking them for go play football as a major thing, because you might as well go learn your book. That was the focus of our people. Some of who can get locked away with the play band safe and accept we. Because not to focus that you still get to go learn book. You see? Now that's something I would say take the week. But tonight I want to thank you very much. And thank those two speakers before me, because they really jogged my memory, especially Mr. Kamara, where it make a get the feeling and view of Elk Street area, Mountain Causeway. I grew up so much when I see Papa Nakanda boy, I said, oh God, because we can see up like 3 in the car, talk to we all. That was not scared. Man, like that one day, not big politician and education minister. If you can't do, come meet you. Well, if you walk by yourself, that's what I mean. When you're free, they say if you go by wood, you will play ball first now, Elk Street. With tennis ball, now mostly a tennis ball will be in play. Yes. Thanks for listening.
Thank you very much, Israel Papa. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. We don't get from Israel. You see how we can go with in conversation. We want to tell him thank you. We want to tell Almami Bai Kamara plenty thank you. And also Bakari Fomba. Now the young we able to forget today. Now the good old days. You will listen. Waiting you learn. Waiting you learn today from the good old days. You see the reason why we for the Duam? Next week, you know what? The Fridays, them one for dedicate certain thing like this. Next week, Friday, we want for bring another new one. We now almost like the good old days, but not the good old days though. Now, same way with the Kangi story. Like, you remember that Saturday, we'll be to talk about the myth. Waiting let me tell you what you experience. And this one you open to we all. When growing up, waiting be your story, where your granny be share with you, where you want to share with we, story time. And they will do them like where we do the good old days today. Next Friday we'll do story time. Then the other Friday we'll do the good old days. Then that also. What do you think about that? we get somebody else where we they bring come on board. He go introduce himself for we. Welcome to the good old days on Sarah Network, and who that we get on the line?
Yeah, this is Alusine Caesar.
Yes, Alusine Caesar. Who say you want can we go 60s, 70s, 80s?
Well, which I just want to say, I just want to tell you thank you for this program. This program will look educative, and me myself within I don't learn a lot. People will be past me. I don't hear what they all don't say. I'm just glad, I'm just happy. I just get a feeling about this network. You know, now they do things the way others they know they do. Now this we need for they do for bring things that we will make from them things that the good old days. Now they we will able to know how to move forward. People and they way that they talk, what is we don't happen today. Now they will begin look say what is happening? What is really wrong about country? I remember Tripoli, this program which make I don't want to talk long. This program now we inaugurate them. I remember go no more go check the archives. This program we start them now we start them. I think now be 5 months they will be make call with one lady. We start this program.
Yes.
Now we start them. So I'm just happy I see the program they go well. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Keep up the good job. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
That's what I get for say. I don't get because I don't talk to the own side of the good old stories, you know.
Okay.
One day I will come for continue.
Right,
yeah.
No
Thank
problem.
you very much, sir.
Okay. Yes, that's Alusine Caesar. I see we don't get confirmation. So now we don't agree say every Friday, every other Friday, that's what we're going to do. So the coming Friday, we go get story time. That one day we'll let them open to everybody. We'll get story time. We get fun time. You know, fun memories. No, not dedicated to good old days. Anytime, what you remember na Sierra Leone, make we just share, make we just get some kind of a bond where we can able for share to ourselves, you know. I see we don't get a lot of people who don't agree to that. Not for just agreement could they listen. Okay, but could people they listen when they take part? But it's still good, you know. So, but we get for need more people for call. We get for need more people for one for share stories. Them we get for like what's happen with you na salon. One thing where it's just fun where you want to laugh. Remember me, I don't give boku na but me. I don't give boku na. I don't talk but me. That me Rose Casada. None I never ever forget them. Because that was one experience where I like in the Ori I not go ever forget. But waiting at the stories them way you feel say you want share with we, where it don't happen with you in a salon. You know, say share a network they try for bridge the gap. They try for bridge the gap. We just want to bring laughter into people. Well, we don't take 4 days, they talk about salon. On Fridays, they'll just come in, relax, get a fun time, chill, get a moment where we self cable appreciate we self as Sierra Leoneans them. So we all agree. Come next Friday, we go to share stories. We will do story time one Friday, the other Friday we'll do good old days, the other Friday story time. And so we're going to take and say story done. Story go, story come. We story done, we'll find something else. We go put inside. We're going to make things sweet for we. And make, where they feel loved, where they feel beloved, where they feel like say, we still, Sierra Leone is still part of us, you know? Just those things. Na Sierra Network, na so they do things. Umar Jallow say, it's a very educative program. Sierra Leone is a beautiful place with beautiful people, but politics is dividing us. You know. We'll go there back tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, Saturday. Or they can lay things then at table, Now we can do them. Salon. It will be an interesting one. I already smell her. Very good. But I hope so we all get a very good time. And we'll go there back tomorrow. With peace, love, and unity. Make we just care for one another. Care for yourself. care for Sierra Leone, and do it in the well body people in say so that you go stay alive. Yeah, we enjoy Lagos nights now, but we go there back till we meet again. Skipoli say tata.